Hey, boys and girls, it is Mr. McAndrew, the floating math coach. How are you? Sorry about that, just moving my face around. Super excited to be with you as always. So, yesterday on Wednesday, you had this problem about the baseballs. So, I wanted to go over it quickly to see how you did, and then we'll move on, okay? So, let's get this party started. This was about Colin and Riley. They each had 6 baseballs. So you might have drawn 6 baseballs here. I know baseballs aren't purple and green, but, bear with me. So you could have done 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 6 more, and you would have seen that 6 plus 6 more, right, gives you 12. You've got 6 plus 4 gives you the 10, plus 2 more gives you 12. It's a doubles fact, right? Doubles fact, we've talked about that. If you use the number path, you might have said, okay, 6, my blue is fading. You could have said 6, 4 gets me to 10, right? And I still have 2 more to go because to do plus 6, I would have to add plus 4 and then plus 2. We know that 10 plus 2 is 12. So 6 plus 4 plus 2 is 12, right? Or you could have said, okay, I'm at 6. Let's hop 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You land at 12. Either way, you get 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay? All right, so today's word problem. Drum roll, please. In your math packet is the following. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to read you the problem so you know exactly what the problem's about, and then you are going to solve it. You're going to do it by drawing pictures, either in your double 10 frames, your number path. You've also got space here you can use where my head is. And then you want to write your number sentence or equation, okay? All right, so it says Eleanor has 15 ribbons. That's 5, 10, 15 ribbons, okay? She gave, so remember, you want to even close your eyes and just imagine what's happening. You want to get a picture in your head, like a movie. So Eleanor has 15 ribbons, right? We don't know what these ribbons look like, but she's got 15 ribbons. She gives 5 to her friend Beatrice. Why does she do this? I don't know. Maybe she's just a really nice person. Maybe Beatrice doesn't have that many ribbons. I don't know. But Eleanor gave 5 of them to Beatrice. This much I do know. How many ribbons does Eleanor have left? All right, do we care how many ribbons Eleanor has? I don't know, but it's a math problem, and it gives us a chance to practice our awesome math skills, so let's do it, okay? All right, so that's the problem. You have to figure out how many ribbons does Eleanor have left. She had 15. She gave 5 away to Beatrice. How many are left? You got to figure that out, okay? And don't forget your number sentence. All right, lastly, today, you need to do your shake and spill, okay? Shake, rock, and roll here. Shake and spill. It's the exact same game you've been playing the last 2 days, but this time put in 15 counters, okay? 15. So if you end up with, I don't have the right markers, but just bear with me. If you end up with, let's say, 10 red, even though that's blue, and 5 yellow, even though that's green, you could say, oh, well, I could do 10 plus, sorry, these markers, 5 is 15. You also know if you turn them around, right? If you rearrange the counters, that 5 plus 10 equals 15. And then if you take away the reds, see how many you have left, and then put those back and take away the yellows and see how many you have left. So do that, okay, I think it's 6 or 7 times, and start to get to really know what adds up to 15. Boys and girls, this can really help you with your addition and subtraction. Because if you know that 10 plus 5 is 15, Guess what? Let me zoom in here. Guess what? You also know that 5 plus 10 is 15. You also know that 15 take away 10 is 5. And you also know that 15 take away 5 is 10. So there's a lot going on there. So you're going to do your word problem. You're going to play Shake and Spill, which is awesome. Play the tens game that I taught you a couple days ago. Me and my son. Sorry, my hair is sticking up as always. I'm working on it, boys and girls. I'm doing my best. That's a fun game, right? All you need is your playing cards, and you try and match them up to make 10. 6 and 4, 7 and 3, 2 and 8, right? Play with somebody at home. They're gonna love it, and they're gonna love you for showing them that game. Okay? Like, trust me, no doubt. And then if you want, this is totally optional. I know some of you love that tens frame mania. I put the link in there. Go crazy if you want, but it's totally up to you. Okay? All right, boys and girls, I'll see you soon. Be good, be kind, and keep doing your math, because math is awesome. So are you. All right, bye-bye.